My name is Amanda Clinton, and as an attorney, I'm going to give you the latest news when it comes to visa entry requirements for the UK. And this is going to be in the categories of care workers, students, VIPs, as well as those who have been bereaved. In terms of the category of care workers, this group has seen a very significant change in terms of from the 11th of March 2024, care workers to the UK can no longer bring dependents such as spouses and children. Furthermore, there's a salary threshold that has been increased. So previously, the skilled worker visa threshold, which includes care workers, was £26,200, and now that has been increased to £38,700. The shortage occupation list, in terms of there's a category that needs to be fulfilled in terms of workers in the UK. The list still exists, but it's now called the immigration salary list. So just a change of name, basically. And all employers in the UK will have to register your job at the Care Quality Commission in order for, the Care Quality Commission to just monitor what's going on in terms of the numbers of care workers in the UK, where they're coming from, and as well as if there's any complaints, etc. The UK has also launched a VIP delegation visa. So what this in essence means is that if a head of state is traveling, as well as government ministers, a lot of people can travel with them. For instance, a head of state can travel with up to 20 additional people, and a minister can travel with up to 10 additional people automatically, basically. But they will have to make a formal application, but the application fees will be waived, as well as the fingerprint fees. In terms of student visas, not much has changed, except that as of 2024, and you're coming on a student visa, you can't bring your dependents with you. And there is also no sign that the graduate visa program is going to be abolished, so that is very much going to stay in place. And if you're seeking settlement in the UK after your partner has passed away in the UK, you no longer have to pay £2,885 by requesting for a waiver of that fee. Before that, you had to, pay that amount if you lose a loved one in the UK. So by applying for that waiver, in essence, and you can prove that, you're suffering some sort of hardship after your partner has passed, you won't have to pay for that waiver, but you must be, or the partner who has unfortunately passed must be a British citizen, or was a British citizen, was an EU citizen, or at least had an indefinite leave to remain in the UK. So that's just a brief summary of the new UK visa rules. I hope it's been helpful, and I hope it helps guide you as you apply for a new visa to the UK.